Oh, bloody hell. That's not good. Look what I'm dealing with this morning. Yep, a tire that blew out. And I just checked all those tires yesterday evening after I loaded the skid steer on here. I am taking this up. I'm going up to help one of my brothers move some logs this morning. He needed a bigger skid steer than what he had. I loaded this on the trailer yesterday evening. Checked every tire, skid steer, trailer, everything was good. This is about the same place I had the flat tire with the Mexican, 3 years ago. I had the fertilizer tank on here, and we were stopped somewhere in this same area with a flat tire. So yeah, we got a flat tire here. It's the beauty. Hey, and he's eating a Whopper. This is his first day on the job. He doesn't know how things operate around here. We do not stop to eat when we have an important job to do, but apparently Patron stops to eat. So what was I about to say? Oh yeah, I'm only 3 miles from home. Farmer's daughter is coming up here to get me so I can go back to the farm and get the impact wrench to take that tire off. I've got a spare tire here on the trailer, so it's not going to take long. She's at the hardware store this morning. So as soon as she gets the other employee in there, she's going to leave and come get me. That'll be in about 3 more minutes. One of those days. But hey, I'm not the only one having those days. I called my brother. I said, hey, I'm going to be a little late. Well, the trailer that we're putting these logs on, they had a flat tire this morning as well. But they got lucky. It was just a screw, so they put a plug in it and they'll be okay. But I don't think a plug is going to help my tire. All right, back on the road. You can see we're moving again. It took me about an hour and 5 minutes to make it happen. 20 minutes of that was just waiting for my daughter to come pick me up. I could have probably unhooked from the trailer a whole lot quicker and just gone and got the impact wrench myself, but I thought she was going to be a little quicker. We're trying to beat this rain. I was supposed to move these logs tomorrow for my brother, but I called him yesterday evening after I finished getting the corn out. I said, hey, look, I can come in this morning, and move these logs before it gets wet, based on the weather forecast. He said, sure. And we've still only got about, it looks like 2 hours before the rain comes in, maybe 3. Okay, I'm moving again. Only took about an hour to make it right. I have AAA. I'm a AAA member. I never call them, but that would have taken probably 2 hours or longer for them to come out and change that tire for me. And the spare tire I had on the trailer didn't quite have enough air. That's the only tire I didn't check yesterday evening. That had about 60 pounds of air in it, and I don't know if AAA could have pumped that up for me. So yeah, I guess my daughter is AAA. All right, so we're moving again, trying to beat the rain. It looks like, I just looked at the radar, we've got about 2 or 3 hours before it starts raining. So hopefully, he doesn't have a lot of logs to move that I know of. They're just too heavy for the equipment that he had. So let's get this done.
Here we go.
want me to pick your house up and move it too?
Yeah, I kind of wish it was a little bit of that. Shit, if we could have done that, we wouldn't have had to cut the trees down. You know, we could have just moved the house. It's been a little bit cheaper. But Jimbo wouldn't have had it. You're ready to go to church.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Is that what it's going on? It's going to be for short people, apparently.
Yeah. That's the table. That's the table for the
Oh,
church.
okay. Got it.
That looks like a lot. Woodchuck's gonna get a priest.
Huh? That is a lot. That's a lot of damn wood there. Well, as you can see, we got those logs loaded on the trailer without any problem. My brother was really concerned about finding something that could lift them and get them on the trailer, but I knew I had something. He's having them milled up as live edge boards. The market right now for any live edge board is just unbelievable. So those were some nice oak logs. So he's taking them up to a Amish mill to have them cut up in the boards. And then he's bringing them down to the farm and hacking them down there so they'll dry out. I've got barn space down there that he's putting them in the barn so they'll all dry out. He's already had, what did he say, 600 board feet he put in the barn last week. And I think he said he's got about another 900 board feet in those 3 logs. Hey, and we got this done before the rain, but I just looked at the radar and it looks like it's raining down at the farm, but I'm 25 minutes north of the farm. So no rain up here yet, but it is on the way. I think we are expected to get, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches of rain the next 3 days or so. We need rain. I don't know that we need that much that quickly, but we don't have any choice. Okay, back to the farm. Hopefully I can get down there without any more tire blowouts. Brand new tire. My only thought is maybe I picked up a screw at the farm at some point between me checking that air pressure last night and leaving this morning. I didn't check the tires this morning before I left because I just checked them last night. Or maybe the valve stem leaked air. I can't figure it out. It shouldn't have happened, but it did. Okay. I guess that's all I got for today, or for this video. So I'm gonna say, see ya. And the rain has started. Okay, here's the first stack of lumber that my brother put in the barn here. This is all oak as well. So yeah, those are some nice oak boards there. They're at least 12 inches across. So I don't know what his plan is. Now, as you can see, this is not live edge lumber here, but he's been doing a lot of building. He retired last year, I guess it was. So he's been just doing a lot of different projects and building different things, tables, nightstands, dressers. I don't know what all he's been building. So this should keep him busy for the winter.